the Fiend made a break for it.
Well, good thing our target is Chainsaw's heart. Forget the Fiend.
This time I'm gonna cut him right down the middle.
Just make sure you don't damage the heart.
I have no clue what the fuck's going on. But I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you two are bad guys. The kind that mean business. Love me some baddies. Can't get enough. You know why that is? No one gives a shit when I carve them up.
Don't often get to kill my enemies twice in a row.